Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Misdirection by Palfly Kampling. As you can tell, I have very much lost my voice, so I am trying my best, so bear with me here. So we have normal Sudoku rules. These are not thermos. Look at the rules, these are not thermos. These are palindrome lines, and they happen to have a circle at the end, which is an odd circle. So I know that's a little confusing, because they look just like thermos, but they are not thermos. They are palindrome lines, and then there is an odd circle at one of the ends to make it look like a thermo, but it's not. All right, so let's go over the rules. We do have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules, meaning in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have palindrome lines. So the way those work is they read the same forward and backward. So if this was, say, 1, 5, this would be 5, 1, because it reads 1, 5, 5, 1 this way, and 1, 5, 5, 1 this way. All right, and digits in cells with gray circles are odd. So these cells here are odd digits, 1, 3, or 5. And that's it. Those are the rules. Again, they are not thermos. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. All right, so we know that all of these are odd. I'm going to actually even odd color here. So we're going to use orange for odd because it starts with O. These are odd digits as well, and these are even. Now we know we have 3 even and 3 odd in every row, column, and box because we have 1 through 6. So this box, these are all even. Since it's a palindrome, these are also even. Let's see, what else can we do in terms of coloring? Maybe I can't do more coloring. If I can, I'm not seeing it. I was thinking about whether it had to do with these two being cloned, and these two are clones, but I'm not seeing like an immediate reason. So the other thing that I'm seeing is that we have this 6 here, and these two are odd, so they can't be 6. So that does place the 6 here. We also know there's a 6 in one of these two cells, and so there's a 6 down here. We know these two are going to be odd, yeah, because the odd's up here. Okay. So there we go. Now we have all the odds in this column, so these are even. In fact, this is a 4-6 pair. So we need 1 even and 1 odd here. We need 1 even and 1 odd here. Okay, maybe we can do more digits. This is a 3-5 pair. This 3-5 goes over here to make that 3-5. Okay, so whatever this 3-5 is, it's going to end up in this box somewhere, and it's going to be one of these orange cells. But we know this 3-5. Ooh, I was going to say it's the same, but it's different than this 3-5. So if I were to subcolor these 3-5s, purple and green, you can see that this is the purple 3-5, this is the green 3-5, this is a green 3-5. So I was going to say that the purple would have to go here, but that's not true. So these are either a 1 or they're the purple 3-5. This is the purple 3-5. And oh, okay. And so then purple can't be 3 because there's a 3 in this column. So this is 5. The greens are 3. And this is 5. Okay, so we don't need those subcolors anymore. This is 1 or 3. So this 5 goes here because it's on the palindrome. Okay, so this did end up here, but not for the reason I said it should. Well, my other logic wasn't correct because I'm glad I colored it because I wasn't noticing that. Okay, so these cells are the same. This one sees a 5 and this one sees a 3, right? This sees the 5, this sees the 3, so they can't be 3 or 5, so they have to be 1. All right. So we know there has to be a 4 down here. And then the oh, okay, we know this is 1, so this is 1. Okay, so we know what these are then. These are the 3 and the 4. Yeah, and we know the order here. That's 4, that's 3. Let's color those. This is orange for the column. It's actually a 1, and this is a 2 for the column. We have all of our blues for this row, so this is orange. I wonder how long that's been there. It seems like it's been there a while. All right, that's blue. That's a 2. This is 4, 6. This is a 5. So I need a 1 down here, and this is the only place for it. It's a final 1. Okay, so we know this is 2, 3, 4. What can we do with that? So this is 2 or 4, so that's even. It's both 2 and 4 are even, so we can mark that even. And then this is a 2, 3, or 4 to match this one. You know what this does is this causes roping, vertical roping. So because these are the same as these, where do those 2 digits go in this box? Well, they end up here. So this has to be the same 2, 4 as these ones. And we're also going to get additional roping, right? So we're going to get the 6 in this one is going to be roped somewhere. The 5 in this one is going to be roped. Because once one of them is roped, the others are forced to be roped. I'll show you that. So like whatever this 6 and this one is, right? What's going to go down here? Well, it's going to be the 5 and this one, because that's what's left. So we have the 1 and this one, right? These go here. These are already in the column, so these need to go in the column. They go down here, and then now we have this is the same, right? So this is here. This is this one, right? And then we have this one here, and so then these 2 go here, and so it just keeps going, and you end up roping the whole stack. Either the stack is completely roped or it's completely not roped. There's no other choice. So we do end up with this 2, 3, 4 triple here. So we need to place a 6 in the column, which goes there. That's huge. That gives us the 4 and the 6 here. And that also finishes this row with a 5. So we know this 5 goes with this 2, 3, 4, if it's helpful. And we know that it can't be the 3, so that's not the 3 either, because the 3 is actually in its own vertical stack, and that's this one here with the 6. Okay, so this is our 6. It's 4 and 6. That's our 5. This is 2, 4. So yeah, the 5 goes with a 2, 4. These are all even. 5 goes with 2, 4, and the 1 goes with a 2, 4. Now, how do we resolve this? These are the same digit as each other. These are the same digit as each other. Is there some rule I missed? Oh, it's the palindrome. This palindrome here does it. Right, so the purple is the 2, and the green is the 4. Okay, got it. Nice. Let's clean up this coloring here. All right, neat puzzle, Palfly. I liked. I should have noticed from the start that this caused roping vertically, but I wasn't paying attention to that at the time because I was busy even odd coloring. But neat. I really like this puzzle. It demonstrates a lot of cool stuff. It is a bit of a tricky puzzle just in that they look like thermos, and you might try to solve it like thermos. I'm curious if anyone tried and at what point it breaks. You know what? Let's take a second. Should I take a second and try to solve it like a thermo? I feel like I'm not going to, because I feel like people skipping to the end might get very confused. So I'm not going to do that. But feel free to try that yourself and let me know how it goes. But yeah, cool. Thanks for the puzzle, Palfly. And if you enjoyed this, why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.